Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear learners, viewers, and honorable guardians, welcome to Chandpur Sadar Virtual School. Hope you are well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Learners, you know our Ministry of Education has announced a 6-week assignment for the betterment of you. And for this reason, the short syllabus has been announced. From the short syllabus, now I am taking a class. Before moving on the main discussion, I would like to say you something about drugs. Learners, you know our youth society is on the verge of destruction due to drugs. So you should say no to drugs. Learners, I am Manikur Rahman, assistant teacher of Nanupur High School, Chandpur, Sadar, Chandpur. Learners, today I am taking a class of English first paper of classes 9 and 10. Learners, look at the pictures and tell what about the pictures. The pictures are about our nature and environment. Learners, our today's lesson is on nature and environment, the great of roaring rivers. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, you will be able to comprehend and summarize text, to ask and answer questions, to say the meaning of keywords, to take part in debates on given topics. Learners, look at the page number 56 of your English first paper textbook. Look and read the passage. Learner, please read out. Learners, now I am giving you some keywords to help you to guess the meaning of the passage. Please attention and look at the word. The first word is erosion. Learners, look at. Meherjan lost all her property due to river erosion. Learners, what do you mean by erosion? Look at. Erosion means the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Learners, look at the next keyword. The next keyword is embankment. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Learners, what do you mean by embankment? Embankment means A wall of stone or earth made to keep water back. Learners, our next keyword is whisper. What do you mean by whisper? To speak very quietly to somebody so that other cannot hear what one is saying. Learners, look at the sentences. Look at the sentence. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Learners, look at the next keyword. The next keyword is roar. What do you mean by roar? Learners, look at the sentence. The tiger is roaring for hungry. Roar means to make a loud, deep, harsh sound of tiger, river, or any animals. Learners, look at the next keyword. The next keyword is slum. Mirjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj Town Protection Embankment. Learners, what is the meaning of slum? The meaning of slum is a overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. Our next keyword is unsteady. Learners, look at the sentence. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Learners, what is the meaning of unsteady? The meaning of unsteady is a liable to fall or shake. Learners, look at the next keyword. The next keyword is demolish. The greedy Jamuna has demolished Mirjan's all happiness. What is the meaning of demolish? The meaning of demolish is to pull or knock down something. To pull or knock down something. Learners, look at the pictures and then think about the previous life of Mirjan. Learners, please look at the pictures and gaze. Learners, you should read the faces and look at the pictures and gaze the previous life of Mirjan. Learners, look at the faces. Complete the summary of Mirjan's life with words or phrases from the box. Here the box. Look at. There are 10 clues in the summary and there are 10 words or phrases in the box. From the box, you can use the words or phrases to complete the passage. Learners, look at Meherjan is a typical dash woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties dash the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by the poverty and dash. Now she is only a dash. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. River erosion is still posing dash to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living dash rivers are most likely victims of river erosion. Each year about dash people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherjan's life is just one dash of how climate change dash the lives of thousands of people. Learners, guess now you should follow the answer. Look at Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by the poverty and dash and shortage of food. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living close to rivers are most likely victims of river erosion. Each year about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate change affects the lives of thousands of people. Learners, look at homework. Write 10 sentences about merits and demerits of flood. I am again saying, write 10 sentences about merits and demerits of flood. Learners, stay at home. Don't go out. If you go out, you can be affected by the COVID-19 coronavirus. If you are affected by the COVID-19, the another members of your family can be affected by the COVID-19. So, you should not go out. Save yourself from COVID-19 and save your family members from COVID-19. You are invited to the next class. Allah Hafiz.